quick tour of my farm. Where the swings are. Where the big white shed is, plus red shed, and 2 other white sheds, and big shop. Where the big steel shed is, where a trampoline is at, my dad's work car, our Ranger, tractor, camper, hay bale, another tractor, trailer, inside the big steel shed, grain bins, one of my dad's semis, one of my dad's trailers, one of my dad's other semi trailers, another one of my dad's trucks, a part to the combine, the pig barn, hi piggies, feed bins for the pigs, the granary, some machine pieces back there, an old car, our house. See you guys next time.